look at the history of tariffs. They're used as majority of the time, they're used as negotiation tools. I don't think they're going to be as bearish as everybody thinks. I really don't. And then there's a lot of people that are mad at like all these things that are happening with Panama and et cetera. It's like, what I see is a business president coming into effect. It's going to open up way better trading opportunity globally. This isn't just for the U.S. It's going to benefit a lot of other countries as well. They're going to look for better partnerships with China, ending war. I don't know what to be bearish about in that case. I really don't. Like, unless there's a black swan, or like you have, well, who was it? The UK he's a former prime minister, came out and he's like, all British men need to go to, no. Boris Johnson. Yeah. Boris Johnson was like, men need to go to war. Like, they're trying to advocate for that. But I mean, if you're just talking about trading routes and like global liquidity, I expect that to rise pretty extensively over the next 4 years. So unless someone can make a case for that, which they can't, because again, tariffs are much more nuanced than bad or good. A lot of tariffs could be bad. A lot of tariffs could be good. And that is going to be, right now, I think the balance is like this, and it needs to balance out.
Yeah, that's a great. It's not all bad. It's not all good. We do have Raphael. Spent $2K on Link and $1,000 on Ondo. Was it a good entry? I think it is. I think $20 chain link, $19, $18 chain link is a steal. I don't think we're going to be looking at $20 chain link for too long. I think once it sets 40, 50 as support, that's where we start flirting with the $100 chain link, potentially even 200 in a perfect world. Josh, are you still bullish on Arkham? And asking me about Kronos. I don't know if you talked about Kronos. Crow just has a lot of selling pressure, and Crow's just going to live or die off the popularity of that exchange. So, I'm pretty bullish on Brian Armstrong and Coinbase. That being said, I signed up for crypto.com like a week or two ago. I had to sell some wax.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wax?
Yeah, to wax
clean
my
out
chest.
your ears real quick?
Yeah.
No, even hairier.
Old gaming token that I was just sitting on forever. I actually put it into ETH. I was like, we might see some market corrections. I don't know if that was the best move there.
Well, I think
Arkham?
it's decent. Arkham, I'm still bullish on. I bought literally the day before this crash, so unfortunately that was a Kramer moment, but I'm still hodling it. I'm going to hold it through this market. It's part of my Trump portfolio. The other one is Ondo. A lot of people in chat acting like this unlock is going to matter next week. Guys, like, how many videos do we have to make on this? It's linear. 83% of supply goes to the ecosystem and the treasury. Like, it's going to be little to no market impact on a linear schedule over 3 years. So that's another perfect example of what I'm expecting with. It's like the same thing as the Trump inauguration, right? This unlock, people like, oh, it's bad. It's red. It's going to crash everything. But then it actually happens and they realize, oh, it wasn't so bad. And that's where the market really prices in the true value of it.